Welcome back to Skillshetra. I'm Kushal and you're watching episode 8 of our Hacker101 CTF walkthrough series. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting challenges so far, Ticketastic. This challenge is all about creative thinking, web exploitation, and even a little social engineering. If you're looking to improve your bug bounty skills, sharpen your web security knowledge, or just love solving CTF, you're in the right place. So grab your coffee, fire up your proxy tools, and let's get into it. Alright, here's what we know. This level is running the same code as the Ticketastic demo instance. Naturally, I started by checking if the add user path existed. But boom, 404 not found. I moved to the admin login page, tried logging in as admin, but nothing worked. Rate limiting made brute force testing super slow, so that wasn't going to help either. But I could submit a ticket, so that became my new playground. Normally, user creation requires parameters like username, password, etc. What if we trick the system into letting us use those indirectly? Here's the trick. I embedded a clickable link inside a tickets message like this. href equals http localhost / new user username equals Skillshetra, ampersand password equals Skillshetra, ampersand password to Skillshetra. The theory: if an admin views the ticket and clicks the link, it runs from their local environment, creating our user. And guess what? I submitted it, waited a minute, and then I logged in successfully with the user Skillshetra. That's when I discovered a suspicious ticket I hadn't created. Inside were two flags, but one of them was clearly marked as the correct one. First flag, captured. Now on to the second flag, and this one's a different beast. I noticed that visiting invalid ticket IDs like /ticket/1 revealed file paths like ./main.py. That's a red flag for developers, but a green light for hackers. It meant the app was exposing backend errors, perfect for an SQL injection attack. Then I went hunting for juicy info. id equals 1.1, union select one password, 3 from users where username equals admin -- and just like that, second flag secured. These two flags were wildly different but super insightful. The first one showed me how user interaction and clever link placement can be just as powerful as a direct exploit. The second flag was a textbook case of SQL injection, proving that even a single exposed error can open the door to the whole database. Together, they teach us that web security isn't just about code, it's about thinking like an attacker. I have also linked a Python script to automate this attack in my video description. If you learned something new, enjoyed the walkthrough, or just love breaking stuff in safe environments, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next episode of the Hacker101 CTF walkthrough series here on Skillshetra. I'm Kushal, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep hacking, and stay ethical.